Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates on intraday and positional trading strategies and also the charting scanners. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the charting scanner. One of my paid member was asking you some scanners, and I'm going to create the scanner with the CPR indicator and also by the previous day low and previous day high along with CPR support and resistance. With this scanner, we can try to find out some reversal opportunity or uh, like a trending days that we can plan with this particular scanner. And what I'm looking exactly looking for this scanner. Simply, we are going to check the scanner, the previous day high. So, what we are going to exactly to create as the previous day high, and that should be equal to the R1, I equal to the CPR R1. Okay, so we have a lot of pivot points. So, CPR R1, central pivot range. So that's R1, which we are going to looking for by using this scanner. And this is a scanner with a simple coding we can derive and we can find out. But how to use the stop? So that's very important. So first we will create the scanner in this video. And this scanner also going to be updated on my premium Telegram group. Okay, so if you know, you can make use of it and you can create the scanner. And how to use it and how the result would be that particular list of stocks which filtered by the scanner, that also we can discuss here. And before that, we can look at the average consumer product. What is the high of yesterday? That is one day ago, 20th October. The high price is 996.05 and exactly the same one. So here the previous day high is 996.05 and today's 996.05. So you can see the equal 0.5. So this resistance acts as a great resistance, and if the resistance is broke, and we can expect the upside until the resistance breaks, we can expect the downside. So that's a logic, and which is simply we are going to find out those stuff. Mostly, if the previous day high equal to the CPR R1, the same will be it's less than that support also be the equal to the uh, like S1. But it is difference. We are going to find out only the R1 equal to previous day high with this scanner. Okay, so what I'm going to focus, and mostly the low may be vary and the day low should be S1. You can look at this, the previous day low is around 980.35. Here it's slightly different, 980.25. Look at this 315 and lows 980.35. This is what different. So how to create that one? Simply with the charting scanner, we are going to look for this charting and go to the create scanner, and here I'm going to check with the future and option, and this visual is looking good right now in charting. So new update. So here also we got a clear thing. So what we are going to do, previous day high VDH, previous day daily previous day high, that means the previous day high means one day ago high, simply that we are looking for a daily time frame. And we have already created a lot of customized indicator for CPR and other things. And that's why we are completing the scanners in a single line. So, but this is very, very complex if you are creating with the help of charting normal too. This is a customized one we have already created. So, we are going to make CPR resistant one. Okay. So must be CPR which values are calculated by previous day levels. I think minute time it will not keep. Tomorrow there is no stock. No, it's not working. So we'll go for a futures previous day high and equals to CPR resistance 1 here to be 1 day ago. So why we are using 1 day ago? So 1 day ago, it's simply telling you the current day CPR. If you are looking at the CPR resistance today, and you need to use latest. And if you want, sorry, tomorrow, if you want today, you need to use 1 day ago. So if I'm running the scan, so we have a Godrej consumer product. Let me go to check this Godrej consumer product. So you can see the exactly the previous high around the 990.05, exactly the same. And what happened today? And it is a trending down. So because it is a resistance, tight resistance or huge resistance that breaks, so we can export upside until we are expecting a downside. So maybe another chances it reversed from the top. Okay, so not only yesterday the market is huge, but we have only one stock. Okay, this is what rarely happens. So very exactly equal which you are looking for. And if I want to go for save this scan for a backtest, CPR PDH R1. Okay, so I'm going to submit this. And coverage consumer product is the stock, and previously we have a lot of stock yesterday. So IDFC, GMR Infra. Okay, so let me go for IDFC yesterday. Yeah, there is a very huge move, and this is what a previously high where we can see here around look for IDFC, right? So 126.75. Here also 126.75. You can look at the black line. So that is what R1 on CPR. And this stock doesn't break the resistance level. It was keep on moving lower from that level. So 126, now it is 120. So maybe yesterday is a huge move, but even though the on 20th it is giving you 123, that was good enough. In GMR Infra, so the main reason that resistance one is not broken. So GMR Infra, we can see that resistance is act as a good resistance for and the trend is clearly moving down. So where we are finding such a trace by using this. In this particular day, we have a three stock Balram Chini National Aluminium on 25.9. So let me go for a National Aluminium. So whether intraday or positional, how do we use? On daily time frame, sorry, and 15 minutes. So which you are looking for a 25.9. So random checking, Balram Chini National Aluminium 25.9, 27, 26, 25. So previously high equal to that particular day resistance next day on 25th. Okay. So here is the thing, and the low is not broken, but it broken the resistance. But initially it was triggered your stop maybe at this low, and it may be triggered, but after that it is giving you such a good move. But we are taking a very small risk of that R1 and S1, but it is exactly the same. But initially it's broken, but again it fell down and finally gives you good result. And we can use the rejection and trend reversal, lot of formulas. But with this channel, you're simply finding out the stock which forming a previous high equal to the Camilla, that's sorry, CPR support resistance one. And same like that, we can create a support also. I'll remove this previous day low. That should be equal to CPR support one. If I'm using and seeing same thing, so mostly the same stock which is happening on 25 now. So both, because it's a calculative formula, if you are using both the things, both should be equal. So the previous day low equal to 1 day ago CPR support the same. So if you are looking for, but it is not exactly same, maybe some variation on the same day where we can look at this. This low should be on 25th here. This low here is slightly higher on 25th here. This low to be equal to the particular support one. So 92.65. This day is exactly 92.65. Mostly the same stocks. So if you are adding both, so we don't see any new changes. Both will filter out that exactly equivalent the previous day low and high, which is equal to the the R1 and the S1. So this will help you to find out the stocks which forming such a pattern, and that may be a great reversal from the top level or trend continuation that we can plan with this. And even a lot of stocks randomly we can check at this point. So National Aluminum on 910. The same stock also be a pin on the same another one more time. National Aluminum 910. Look for a 910 here. Yeah. Here you can see. So the high is equal and the low is equal to the previous day. Market is started already below to that, but this resistance is broken here, and that was giving you such a good move. So breakout, and mostly it is trading below, and if it is breaks that level, which is going to give you the such a big upside move, that resistance should be act as a good level of resistance, and support also be a good level of support. If it is breaks, we can go for, but in this case here we can look at this one equal to the previous day, something when we seen Ultratech Cement on the same day. We can use the breakout and the support and resistance. That would be a very great way. So 9. So you can see this one. Initially it given you the breakdown and it gives you some movement, and that resistance got broken at this point, and from there it giving you such a big move. So how to find out a powerful support and resistance breakout with the CPR indicator by using this particular scanner, which helping you to find out a good trade opportunities. I will share this scanner on my premium group. If you are my group member, you can access this, and if you want any modification or any other idea and logic, so you can just ping me on WhatsApp and I will update you the scanner even further. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe each one.